Number 1. 1984 Harley-Davidson Softail FX ST, $8,200, Ava, Missouri. This 1984 Harley-Davidson Softail FX ST represents an especially important chapter in Harley history, as the very first year of the Softail platform and the debut year of the Evolution engine. It also carries several final year features, including the 4-speed transmission, Kickstarter, and chain drive setup, making it highly appealing to collectors who appreciate transitional Harley-Davidson models. Finished in factory black with original gold pinstriping, the bike retains much of its authentic vintage character. With just over 13,000 original miles, this Softail appears to have been carefully preserved over the years. The combination of the smoother and more reliable Evolution engine with classic Harley styling helped make the 1984 FX ST an instant icon among American motorcycles. For enthusiasts seeking a historically significant Harley with strong collector interest and timeless road presence, this first-year Softail stands out as a very desirable example. Number 2. 1970 Triumph Daytona, $5,900, Louisville, Kentucky. The 1970 Triumph Daytona remains a respected classic British motorcycle, known for its lightweight handling, responsive twin-cylinder engine, and sporty personality. Finished in purple and equipped with a Boyer electronic ignition upgrade, this example blends vintage Triumph character with a helpful modern reliability improvement. Motorcycles like the Daytona continue to attract riders who appreciate the simplicity and engaging riding experience of classic British machines. According to the seller, the bike starts easily, runs strong, and rides very well overall. The addition of electronic ignition can make ownership more practical while still preserving the motorcycle's traditional feel and sound. With a clear title included, this Triumph offers an appealing opportunity for anyone searching for a usable and enjoyable vintage British motorcycle with classic styling and everyday rideability. Number 3. 1974 Suzuki GT750, $8,995, Denton, Texas. The 1974 Suzuki GT750 remains one of the most iconic Japanese two-stroke motorcycles ever built, famous for its smooth triple-cylinder engine and unmistakable exhaust sound. Often nicknamed the Water Buffalo, the GT750 became legendary for combining two-stroke performance with touring comfort and liquid cooling technology well ahead of its time. This example stands out as an exceptionally original survivor with fewer than 7,600 miles. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been thoroughly gone through and recently received a mild refresh while still maintaining its original character. Clean, low-mile GT750s have become increasingly difficult to find as collectors continue to seek out well-preserved vintage two-stroke machines. For enthusiasts who appreciate the sound, smell, and riding experience of classic two-strokes, this Suzuki represents a highly desirable and increasingly collectible motorcycle. Number 4. 1961 BSA A10 Super Rocket, $3,850, Macon, Georgia. This 1961 BSA A10 Super Rocket captures the strong mechanical character and classic styling that made British twins so popular during the early 1960s. Powered by a large displacement parallel twin engine, the Super Rocket was known for delivering solid performance while maintaining the traditional feel of post-war British motorcycling of this era. This example has received a number of recent mechanical updates that help improve both reliability and usability. The seller notes that the bike now features a new AMAL carburetor, electronic ignition, fresh tires, rebuilt front suspension components, and several additional service items. It is also described as starting on the first kick and running very strong, which is always encouraging for a vintage British motorcycle of this era. For riders looking for an affordable and usable classic British twin, this BSA offers plenty of old-school charm and character. Number 5. 1976 Honda CB550F, $2,200, Olathe, Kansas. The 1976 Honda CB550F remains a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts thanks to its balanced handling, smooth inline-4 engine, and sporty styling. Smaller and lighter than the larger CB750, the CB550F developed a reputation for being especially enjoyable on back roads while still maintaining Honda's legendary reliability. This example has reportedly received extensive recent mechanical work, making it an attractive option for someone looking for a usable classic Honda classic. Recent updates include a fully rebuilt top end with OEM Honda pistons and rings, rebuilt carburetors, refreshed suspension components, new tires, upgraded ignition parts, and several cosmetic improvements throughout the bike. The custom intake and CDI conversion also add a slightly modernized touch while preserving the motorcycle's vintage personality. At this price point, this CB550F offers strong value for anyone searching for an affordable classic 4-cylinder Honda. Number 6. 1975 BMW R75/6, $4,175, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1975 BMW R75/6 remains one of the most respected air-cooled touring motorcycles of the 1970s, known for its smooth boxer twin engine and dependable long-distance performance. Finished in green and showing fewer than 20,000 miles, this example appears to have been carefully preserved and maintained over the years. BMW/6 Series became especially popular for combining comfort, reliability, and timeless European styling in one practical package. The seller describes the motorcycle as running beautifully and believes it deserves to be part of a collection rather than used for daily commuting. Low-mile, well-kept airheads continue to attract collectors because of their mechanical simplicity and lasting durability. With a clear title included and near mint condition presentation, this R75/6 offers classic BMW character in a highly desirable vintage touring motorcycle. Number 7. 1973 Yamaha RD350, $3,300, Lincolnton, North Carolina. The 1973 Yamaha RD350 remains one of the most beloved two-stroke sport motorcycles ever produced, famous for its lightweight feel, quick power delivery, and unmistakable exhaust sound. Early RD models became legendary for delivering exciting performance in a compact and approachable package, making them highly collectible today. This example has reportedly received a full engine rebuild in 2020 using a new Vitos crankshaft and Pro X pistons. According to the seller, the rebuilt engine currently has only around 720 miles, adding confidence for anyone looking for a strong-running vintage two-stroke. The motorcycle also features a clean title and a seat that remains in very good condition overall. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic Japanese performance motorcycles with authentic two-stroke personality, this RD350 represents a very appealing and increasingly hard-to-find machine. Number 8. 1989 Moto Guzzi 1000 Le Mans 5, $4,200, Madison, Wisconsin. The 1989 Moto Guzzi 1000 Le Mans 5 combines Italian sport touring style with the distinctive character of Moto Guzzi's legendary longitudinal V-twin engine. Known for their strong mechanical feel and shaft drive reliability, Le Mans models continue to attract riders who appreciate motorcycles with unique personality and classic European engineering. Finished in red, this example has reportedly received extensive recent maintenance and remains ready to ride. Recent upgrades include new tires, fresh fluids, stainless brake lines, a Dynatec electronic ignition, and a deep sump oil pan with an external filter setup. The seller describes the motorcycle as starting, running, and riding very well overall. For riders looking for a vintage Italian sport bike with strong road presence and a very distinctive riding experience, this Le Mans 5 offers impressive value at its current price point. Number 9. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650C, $3,500, Kansas City, Missouri. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650C earned a strong reputation for combining the performance feel of larger superbikes with more manageable size and everyday usability. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, the KZ650 became one of Kawasaki's most respected middleweight motorcycles of the late 1970s. This example shows around 16,000 miles and has reportedly received significant recent work from a local motorcycle shop. Although the carburetors are currently removed for servicing, the seller notes that the bike previously started easily and ran very well. The motorcycle also retains electric start, a clean title, and overall clean vintage presentation despite its age. For enthusiasts searching for a classic Japanese 4-cylinder project with strong performance heritage and solid mechanical potential, this KZ650C offers a very attractive foundation. Number 10. 1949 Indian Scout, $9,800, Carthage, Missouri. This 1949 Indian Scout represents an important piece of American motorcycle history from one of the country's most legendary motorcycle manufacturers. Produced during a difficult transitional era for the original Indian Motorcycle Company, models like this reflected the company's effort to compete against smaller imported motorcycles entering the American market. Finished in red and showing only a few hundred miles since rebuild, this Scout carries strong vintage appeal. Classic Indian motorcycles continue to attract collectors because of their historical significance, unique styling, and connection to early American motorcycling culture. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been rebuilt and remains an enjoyable piece of riding history. For enthusiasts looking to own a rare and recognizable vintage American motorcycle, this Indian Scout offers both collectible value and nostalgic character. Number 11. 1981 Yamaha XS11H, $2,400, Derby, Kansas. The 1981 Yamaha XS11H remains one of the most respected Japanese sport touring motorcycles of its era, known for its strong inline-4 engine and smooth highway performance. Finished in blue and showing just over 51,000 miles, this example has reportedly been well cared for and consistently stored under cover. Yamaha's XS11 models earned a reputation for durability and long-distance comfort, making them popular among riders who appreciated both power and reliability. Recent maintenance includes a new stator, rectifier, and relay, while the recovered seat helps freshen the bike's overall appearance. The seller describes it as an extremely dependable machine and states they would confidently ride it any distance. With a clean title included and solid touring capability, this XS11H offers classic Japanese performance at a very affordable price point. Number 12. 1966 Triumph Bonneville T120, $4,500, Chattanooga, Tennessee. The 1966 Triumph Bonneville T120 remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its twin-cylinder performance and timeless styling. This example features extended forks that give it a period custom appearance while still preserving the classic personality of the Bonneville platform. The seller also notes being the second owner and personally knowing the original owner, adding an extra layer of history to the motorcycle. Although the bike has not been run in many years, the engine reportedly still turns freely and is not locked up, making it a promising restoration candidate. The sale also includes extra parts and a shop manual, which can be valuable additions for anyone planning a revival project. For enthusiasts seeking a classic British twin with vintage custom character and strong restoration potential, this T120 presents an interesting opportunity. Number 13. 1975 Honda CB500T, $2,400, Decatur, Alabama. The 1975 Honda CB500T combines classic 1970s styling with Honda's reputation for smooth performance and dependable engineering. Finished in brown and showing just over 10,000 miles, this example is described as a beautiful motorcycle that runs and rides very well overall. Vintage Honda twins like the CB500T continue to attract enthusiasts looking for approachable and affordable classic motorcycles with timeless design. The seller notes a few minor issues from winter storage, including leaking carburetor bowls, a slightly sticky front brake, and the need for a battery installation. Even so, the motorcycle appears to remain mechanically solid and close to regular riding condition. For buyers searching for a vintage Honda project requiring only light recommissioning, this CB500T offers strong value and classic Japanese charm. Number 14. 1985 Harley-Davidson Evo Chopper, $7,000, Dallas, North Carolina. This 1985 Harley-Davidson Evo Chopper delivers a strong, old-school custom motorcycle style built around Harley's respected Evolution engine platform. Powered by an FXR-based motor with upgraded internals, including Keith Black pistons, adjustable push rods, and performance cam components, the bike combines classic chopper attitude with proven Evo reliability. Its Paco frame, ratchet-top 4-speed transmission, open primary, and kick-only setup create a very traditional custom riding experience. According to the seller, the motorcycle starts easily within 1 or 2 kicks and has recently received fresh top-end gaskets. The bike also includes additional front brake components for the next owner if desired. For enthusiasts who appreciate handcrafted Harley customs with strong mechanical personality and authentic chopper styling, this Evo-powered build offers plenty of vintage character and visual presence. Number 15. 1979 Suzuki GS550, $800, Birmingham, Alabama. The 1979 Suzuki GS550 remains a popular vintage Japanese motorcycle thanks to its reliable inline-4 engine and strong reputation for everyday durability. This example is currently a non-running project, but it has already received several recent upgrades, including off-road tires, a gold 520 chain, iridium spark plugs, filters, lighting components, and new front shock boots. Suzuki's GS series became highly respected for combining performance with long-term dependability, which still makes these bikes attractive project platforms today. The seller notes that the motorcycle previously ran well before developing its current electrical and fuel tank issues. It will need a battery, switch repairs, fuel tank cleaning or replacement, and a seat before returning to the road. Even so, at only $800, this GS550 offers a very inexpensive opportunity for someone looking to build a custom bike or restore a classic Japanese 4-cylinder motorcycle.